Welcome Genetic Teacher Channel. Today, we are talking about Preparation Histopathology Sections for sliding, which abbreviated in 5 steps. 1. Fixing. 2. Processing, such as dehydration and cleaning. 3. Embedding. 4. Sectioning. 5. Staining. And all previous steps may be piece of tissue taken from living or dead body, which called biopsy, or autopsy, as mentioned in next slide. And this slide show stretching sections with hot plate, or warmer water, to be easy stain, and examine under microscope. Finally, this is section show anatomy of tissue as close as life structure, including cell cytoplasm, cell nuclei, and collagenous connective tissue. Thanks for attention. Please like and share and subscribe Genetic Teacher videos and channel. And for any question, please write comment.